Hello everybody, it's Stockton and wherever else you guys are watching my videos. This is Real Stockton time, coming live and direct like always with that real Stockton local news, you guys. Right now on Country Club, you guys, we got multiple sheriffs, you guys, surrounding this white pickup truck, you guys. This pickup truck failed to stop, you guys. They took the police on a little high-speed chase. Police pit maneuvered it. People took off running, you guys. Check on your loved ones, man. This is Real Stockton time. Always coming live and direct like always with that real Stockton local news, you guys. They released K9 on the person, you guys. K9 got him, bit him up a little bit. Check on your loved ones, man. This is Real Stockton time. Always coming with that real Stockton local news, you guys. God bless you guys. You guys all be safe out here in Stockton.